And that concludes my presentation for tonight.
I'm sorry, Ms. LeBlanc, did you speak to the last point on your slide?
The uncertainty of Pinole Valley.
Could you explain a little bit more about that?
Yes, and so we have another presentation for Pinole Valley tonight. So what we have right now, and I don't know if we want to put that slide up now, but we can. There's so many slides tonight. We have a breakout of all of the costs expended on Pinole Valley High School and also the upcoming budgeted costs for the building. And so the uncertainty with regard to the building costs is right now, with a project of this scale, we have estimates that are slightly different than what we originally planned. It doesn't mean that that's how the bid will come in, but having uncertainties, there's just some unknowns on that. And so we'll talk about that a little bit more with the Pinole Valley presentation.
Okay. All right, so what we are tasked with now is to consider whether or not to make a recommendation, or to not make a recommendation for the board vote tomorrow. And I think if you look at it, the one thing I do want to point out is that there's a consequence, or explain to me if there is a consequence, to the fact that this was, Valley View was DSA approved a year ago. First of all, is there an expense to putting it over and then having that DSA approval go over a year old?
The architects may be able to answer that better, but I do know that DSA is usually cooperative with extending the DSA approval for up to 4 years unless there's been a major building code change.
We've actually learned that before. Go ahead, Mr. Gordon.
I'm Wally Gordon with DLM Architects. Actually, we just renewed or extended the DSA approval for Valley View for 1 year. It's done in 1 year increments, and they usually don't go past the third year. And the reason is because the code usually goes on 3-year cycles, and they don't want to cycle outside of a typical code period. They'll let you go beyond the next code, but not usually. That's kind of the pragmatic why they max out at 3 years.
Right.
So we've got one more extension past this one.
Okay, and the consequence of that extension is that you have to begin to build. What do you have to do in order to?
You have to award the contract and take commence.
You have to commence it.
Well, which is essentially awarding the contract. Once we can file, they changed the numbers, so I get lost in the numbers now. But once we file, we have a contractor on board and what the bid figure is and do essentially the preliminary filing. That's considered construction start for them.
Okay.
They're not looking for shovels in the ground immediately, but they want to know that somebody's in place and they're essentially awarded the job.
Right, which we're not at.
Correct.
Right, that's what we're trying to get. So for me, when I'm looking at this particular issue, is we have invested more money. But one of the column that's not here is the column that shows how much money we've invested in the projects. And so in Valley View, how much have we invested, Mr. Gordon?
We've invested all of the upfront design fees and other soft costs of $3.4 million. We've also invested in the other projects that have commenced construction drawings I don't want to say close to a similar amount, but we've also expended soft costs there.
So but the 3.4 million, when you add that to the portable bid, right, which we've also invested in this particular project.
If we do award the temporary bid, yeah, we would move forward with the portable bid. So.
Yeah, the board has approved the portable bid, but contracts have not been signed pending the award of the temporary capital.
Right, so that's 4.9, and then the issue is whether or not we go ahead with
Right.
temporary.
No money's been spent on the portables because we wouldn't do that until we knew we had a place to put them.
Right, right.
Well, I do not recommend that we move forward with this project. I do not feel we have the funds to move forward with Valley View at this time, and it would be wrong to put the students and teachers, other staff members in portables when we really do we are unable to give a starting date to construction of Valley View until we have more certainty about our finances. So I will not recommend moving forward with this.
Okay, so, isn't true, they are portables now, right? They're just 50-year-old portables.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So this is gonna go without a recommendation tomorrow, to the board meeting tomorrow night. And I think that's really where we need to take this, because, I would disagree with this one. But that's a conversation that we don't need to have now, that's a conversation that really needs to go before the full board tomorrow night. I think that when we look at it, we can have a deeper conversation that we need to have, make sure the whole board does hear every aspect of it.
Well, don't we tell them that there was no agreement on the recommendation?
Tomorrow, so we'll be fine. Okay, so that is that. So come back tomorrow, but if you want to hear more, that's it for Valley View. Valley View will be concluded tomorrow. It's going to go without a recommendation. Madam Chair? Sign out, good.
Just on this last presentation, I wonder if Ms. LeBlanc would be able to tell us what the cost estimates for these projects that are planned, projects to be planned, what their cost estimate is for that approximately, because it sounds as if there could be a huge discrepancy between what we will have and what we need. And I wonder if you know those numbers.
So the projects that are planned, the total amount is probably approximately, the whole list is around $350 million.
Okay, so let us now move to D1, and I know I have a speaker on D1.